Good morning, dear children. Today, let us conclude our chapter Teeth and Digestion. Let us begin with the foods for healthy teeth. Calcium is very important for strong teeth. Milk and milk products such as curds, paneer, cheese are very rich in calcium. Eating salads protects our teeth from germs. Chewing fruits and salads also improves the flow of blood to the gums. These are few food items which are healthy for our teeth and gums. They are salads, fruits. Next, the digestive system. Our digestive system is a complicated system. The journey of food begins at the mouth and ends at the anus. The food passes through a process called digestion. When it is broken down completely till the nutrients are absorbed into the bloodstream and the wastes are removed. There are many organs involved in this action and there are a lot of activities happening in these organs. Let us begin with mouth. We begin digesting our food as soon as we put it in our mouth. Our teeth are powerful crushers that cut, chew, shred and grind the food. Our lips hold the food in. Our tongue pushes the food inside the mouth and it mixes with saliva. We have salivary glands in our mouth and cheeks which secrete the saliva. Saliva has many enzymes which moistens the food and begins to break it into smaller particles, thus making it soft and smooth like a paste. The tongue, which is actually a powerful muscle, pushes the food towards the back of the mouth down and pushes it into the food pipe, also called as esophagus. The process is called as swallowing. Food pipe. The food pipe is a long tube which transports the food into the stomach. This tube is inside our neck. It is about 25 centimeters long in an adult. It has a muscular valve towards the mouth of the stomach, which stops the food from re-entering in the stomach. Next comes stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped strong muscular bag which can stretch to store food. It works like a food blender. Its muscular wall contracts to churn the food that we have swallowed. Acidic fluids are called digestive juices. They help in breaking down of food. Some parts of foods such as glucose are directly absorbed into the blood through the walls of the stomach. The food stays for 3 to 4 hours in our stomach. Let us now proceed with the next organ, liver. The liver is the largest and the busiest organ inside the body. It does many different jobs, out of which 3 are very important. It produces thick fluid called bile. Bile is a digestive juice which helps in breaking the fats that are eaten. This makes it easy to digest the fatty foods that are in the stomach and the intestine. The liver also receives and processes the nutrients from the blood, storing some and passes others on. It also clears the blood of poison and waste. Next, small intestine. When the food leaves the stomach, it enters the small intestine, which is nearly 7 meters long. The digestive juices further break down the food into soluble substances, which can be easily absorbed by the walls of the intestine. It is then passed into the bloodstream. Next, large intestine. The large intestine is a long, wide tube which is 1.5 meters long that surrounds the coiled small intestine. It is at the end of the digestive system. It receives remains of the food from the small intestine. Excess water and salts are absorbed here, and the waste products from the digested food is moved towards the end of the tract. The walls of the large intestine are very smooth and produce a slimy mucus. This helps the waste slide away and passes out in the form of feces through the anus. Undigested food in the large intestine stays for about 12 hours before it is pushed out of the body. Anus. It is the end of the destination. The solid waste are removed from the body from here. So, thus remember, we must chew our food well, eat a balanced diet, follow the right eating habits to stay healthy and fit. Some of the healthy eating habits are: eat 4 to 5 small meals a day. Chew the food well and do not swallow it whole. Eat fruits and vegetables every day. This will provide your body with minerals and vitamins as well as together. Always wash your hands before and after meals. Rinse your mouth well after meals. Always eat a balanced diet. Having clean, fresh and well-cooked food will keep you healthy. Ensure that the utensils used to cook and eat food are washed properly. Thank you, dear children. Hope you had a wonderful learning experience.